Following a well-balanced diet is an important part of managing diabetes well, but adding some vitamins and herbs may provide extra benefits. Recently, in May 2020, the FDA said that some batches of extended-release metformin should be recalled because they were contaminated with a chemical that is likely to cause cancer. Type 2 diabetes, which used to be called adult-onset diabetes, is being identified more and more in kids. It happens when the body doesn't make enough insulin, which causes high blood sugar and could damage organs. There is no cure for diabetes, but it can be controlled with insulin treatment, metformin, sulfonylureas, and meglitinides, as well as a healthy diet and regular exercise. Along with these standard treatments, a lot of people look into herbs and supplements that might help control blood sugar levels, make insulin work better, and avoid problems. In this video, we'll talk about some common vitamins that people with diabetes take, including their possible benefits and some important things to keep in mind. Number 9. Cinnamon. For hundreds of years, Chinese medicine has used cinnamon to treat illness. Many studies have been done on it to find out how it affects blood sugar levels. According to a review of studies published in 2019, cinnamon may help lower blood sugar levels when you wake up. Even though more research needs to be done, cinnamon seems like it could help treat diabetes. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, NIH, says cinnamon should not be used instead of conventional medical care or to put off getting medical care if you are sick. The NIH says this is especially true for people who have diabetes. Number 8. Berberine. It's not just any herb, it's a bitter chemical that is taken from the roots and stems of some plants, like golden seal and philodendron. People with type 2 diabetes who take berberine along with changes to their diet and lifestyle can lower their fasting blood sugar by 15.5 mg/dl and their A1C by 0.71% compared to people who only made changes to their diet and lifestyle or took a placebo. It lowers your blood sugar by making your body more sensitive to insulin and making it easier for your muscles to take sugar from your blood. But you should know that berberine can make your stomach hurt by causing constipation, diarrhea, or gas, and it may also affect how some medicines work. Number 7. Vitamin B1. People with diabetes often don't get enough vitamin B1, which is also known as thiamine. This may make some of the symptoms of the disease worse. Low amounts of thiamine have also been linked to heart disease and damage to blood vessels. Thiamine doesn't dissolve in water, but a related chemical called benfotiamine does. This makes it better at getting through cell walls. Some studies suggest that benfotiamine might help keep diabetes complications at a minimum, but other studies have not proven any positive effects. Number 6. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, an antioxidant that works like a vitamin and is found in foods like broccoli, spinach, and red meat, may help treat diabetes better. Taking ALA tablets can help lower A1C and fasting blood sugar. It works by making your cells more sensitive to insulin and letting more sugar from your blood into them. However, these effects may not show up for a few months. ALA also helps fight against the oxidative damage that comes with having high blood sugar. But you should be careful with ALA because it can mess up treatments for thyroid problems. Also, you shouldn't take large amounts of it if you don't get enough vitamin B1 or if you have a problem with alcohol. Number 5. Vitamin D. Many people know that not getting enough vitamin D can make you more likely to get type 2 diabetes. 72% of people with type 2 diabetes who took part in a study had low amounts of vitamin D to begin with. But when people took an extra 4,500 IU of vitamin D every day for 2 months, their fasting blood sugar and A1C levels got better. Vitamin D is thought to improve the activity of cells in the pancreas that make insulin and make the body more sensitive to insulin. Number 4. Aloe vera. People know that aloe vera can help lower blood sugar. It comes from the leaves of a cactus-like plant and can be taken as a vitamin or in juice form. Researchers have found that it may lower A1C and fasting blood sugar levels in people who are at risk of or already have type 2 diabetes. Studies on mice show that aloe vera may be able to get pancreatic cells to make more insulin, but these results have not yet been confirmed in people. A look at 9 studies with people who had type 2 diabetes also showed that taking aloe vera pills for 4 to 14 weeks lowered their fasting blood sugar by an average of 46.6 mg/dl and their A1C by 1.05%. Number 3, probiotics. Probiotics are supplements that contain good bacteria or other microbes. They can be very important for keeping your gut healthy, especially after drugs have hurt it. This damage makes you more likely to get many diseases, including diabetes. People think that probiotics can help the body handle carbohydrates better and may have other health effects as well. Animal tests have shown that probiotics may lower blood sugar by, among other things, lowering inflammation and saving pancreatic cells that make insulin. Number 2, green tea. Green tea has a lot of polyphenols, which are strong antioxidants that are good for your health in many ways. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, the main antioxidant, has been studied a lot in the lab to see how it might affect health. Based on these studies, EGCG may help lower the chance of heart disease, improve glucose control, and boost insulin activity, making it an excellent choice for improving health as a whole. Now, if you want to learn more about how green tea can be beneficial for a person with diabetes, check out our video linked in the description for more details on this topic. Number 1, American Ginseng. It has been shown that American ginseng, which is mostly grown in North America, can lower blood sugar levels by about 20% after a meal in both healthy people and people with type 2 diabetes. This plant works by making cells more sensitive to insulin, and maybe even making the body make more insulin. Managing diabetes effectively involves more than just adhering to medical treatments. Incorporating certain supplements may enhance your overall health strategy. The video goes into detail about some common supplements that people with diabetes take. We look at how each supplement fits into a diabetes care plan, from how cinnamon lowers blood sugar and berberine improves insulin sensitivity to how alpha-lipoic acid protects cells and vitamin D helps make insulin. We'll also talk about how aloe vera might lower fasting blood sugar and how probiotics can help gut health, which is important for breaking down carbohydrates. If you know more about these supplements, you can decide if you want to use them to help control your diabetes. Keep following us as we find out which supplements might help you the most. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment with your thoughts and experiences.